Number 9, you're going to classify these as arithmetic, geometric, or neither. Okay? The first one, 4, 9, 16, 25. There is no common difference or ratio. Okay? So here we are going to put this in the neither column. Next one, -2, -10, -18, -26. This is where you get a common difference of -8, right? So that means that is arithmetic. So we're going to grab that and put that in the arithmetic column. Last one, 2, 10, 50, and 250. And that is what the common ratio is 5. So we put that in geometric. Next, we have an, the previous term, -4. That is when the common ratio is -4. So that is arithmetic. Okay, there you go. That's arithmetic. Let's look at this one. The 1/2 in front multiplied, that's a common ratio of 1/2. That's geometric. Then this whole previous term to the third power, that is neither. That's a cubic term. Lastly, these looks like the explicit formula. 3 parentheses -1/3. That looks like that is the explicit for the geometric sequence. 10 plus 2 parentheses n-1. That is the arithmetic explicit. First term is 10. Common difference is 2. Leaving you with the last one, which is a weird 2 up in the exponent as a neither. So there you go. That is classifying them as either arithmetic, geometric, or neither.